We say avoid the maintenance and clean up this fall if you can, and instead use fake flowers, faux flowers I like to say, to decorate your autumn-themed front porch. Today's Love List edition may find its way outside or even inside your home. It was recommended by Studio 5 producer Harlee Frodsham, who was inspired by her sister-in-law to buy it. So from one girlfriend to the next, here it comes. Take a look at these artificial fall flowers. They won't die. There is no upkeep, and they look good. They add the perfect floral touch to your home or your porch. The fall colors make it even more fabulous. The color you're looking at is called red orange, but they've got a couple of different options: blue, pink, and purple, just to name a few. These faux plants can add a real fun, full look to wherever you place them. So there you go. If you're not wanting to invest in the mums because they just perish not too long thereafter, this might be your go-to solution. You can find them on Amazon for $30 to $35, depending on the color. We'll link you from our website.